In this how-to video, we're going to review radial symmetry. I've clicked on Create, which takes me into the Sculpt environment. I'm going to go to Create Cylinder, select the plane, and then the center of the cylinder. Drag that out, and we'll give it a diameter of 30 millimeters, and just drag the height up a little bit. You'll note that I could set symmetry in the dialog box. In this case, I'm going to do it slightly differently. Click on OK. Go to Symmetry and select Circular, and this is Circular Internal. Select one of the faces, and there are three options. I can go to 8, 4, or 2, and those are the possible symmetries available. Let's click on them so you get a little preview of them. I'm going to settle for 4, then click OK. And zoom in a little bit. Select on one of the faces, right-click in the Edit Form. Now in the coordinate space entries under the Edit Form dialog box, there are a number of options. Interesting to play with those and see what the different reactions are in terms of how the model will be edited. And then Local is the last one. I'm going to go with Local. Drag on the manipulator, and you can see the changes to that particular freeform body that I created. Holding down the Alt key, I can add material. I'll just make that fairly small, make it a couple of millimeters. And then click on OK. Now when you're working with freeform bodies, they can get quite complex, so pressing the Alt-1 key will change that to a box model, and back to Alt-3 if you want to get to your original. So Alt-1 and Alt-3. Just edit the form on the bottom a little bit. So now we have a cylinder that's a little bit different than the one we started with. I'm going to go back to Symmetry, and this time Circular Duplicate. Select the cylinder, select the axis, and just leave the quantity as 3. And click on OK. So is it 3 originals, or is it 3 of the same thing? Let's find out. Click on one face on one of the new ones, and you can see they're all selected. So there are 3 identical cylinders. Drag on that, you can see the changes taking place in all 3 of them. It's also confirmed by if I look in the Bodies folder, there's one body, in my case named Body 12. I'm going to clear the symmetry, so select one of the cylinders, click OK, and that removes the symmetry.